Ciao! Welcome to Maria Teresa's kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make the dough for focaccia. Place the yeast in a clean bowl and add 1/3 of a cup of warm water. Whisk everything together and you'll see bubbles form on top. This indicates that the yeast is working. Add the flour and the rest of the water cold. Mix everything together. You can use a spatula or a KitchenAid. I am going to do it by hand. When everything comes together, I add the extra virgin olive oil. And now I am going to start using my hands to knead the dough. When the olive oil is completely absorbed, I add the salt. I continue kneading the dough until it's elastic and the bowl is clean. I add the salt and the olive oil at the end because those ingredients slow down the action of the yeast. Since the dough is very sticky, a bench scraper comes handy. When the dough is ready, I cover with plastic wrap and let it rise until double its size. This takes about 2 hours. Oil a pan with olive oil and spread the dough into the pan. After spreading the focaccia dough in your baking pan, you can add any toppings of your preference. Let it rise for a second time until double its size, and then we bake it at 400–450 Fahrenheit preheated oven. I hope you like this video and I'll see you next time.